everyone. Now today my 23 video on the YouTube. I'm belong from Chaudhary family. Today we are discussing about the housewife. Okay. So now let's start. Are you ready for it? Okay guys. Housewife. Housewife is a very important role in our life. If she will not in our life, so maybe our life is not possible in this world. So salute to housewife, every housewife. Okay. And I want to share to some important point to you for housewife. So please listen it very carefully, everyone. Sometime your sister, your mother, your wife is doing work only in home. Okay. So you only think, okay, she's only housewife, she's doing only work, she's not in a profession and she's not doing any kind of professional work. Okay, so sometime you neglect to them, you ignore to them, you didn't give respect to them. So and you don't listen any kind of suggestion, any kind of matter to her, them. Okay, so please guys, don't do this type of, please listen to their problems, their feelings, their emotions. And sometimes their suggestion is also good because they have lots of experience in the life. Okay, so and she will always give to you a good suggestion. It's my experience, that's why I'm telling to you. Okay, and you can't imagine housewife do lots of work in the home, but because of the reason she's not doing the professional work, that's why you are not giving respect to them, you're not giving to time to them. So it's not a correct for them, and it's not correct for to you also. Okay, so please care to your sister, your mother, your wife, please. And even any kind of girl is doing homework, so please do help to them. Okay, so and sometime housewife do lots of problems face in their life. Okay, and even then she didn't tell to us something about their problems. She always try and keep smiling and she do their work. She never tells to us what problem is going in my life. Okay, and I'm facing this kind of problems in my life. Okay, so please you should also listen to them. Okay, and if any kind of other maid is coming in your home and she is doing work, okay, so you will give respect to them. Okay, but even your sister, your mother, your wife is doing work in the home, so you will not give respect to them. Okay, so it's not correct. You should give respect to both. Okay, and imagine it, if any kind of maid comes in your home for washing clothes, wash utensils, okay, and any kind of other maid is come in your home for jhadu pocha, and any other maid come in your home for cooking food. So imagine 3 to 4 maid comes in your home for a different kind of work, and you have to give money to all. Okay, for example, if you are giving 2000 rupees monthly, Imagine only, okay, 2000 rupees monthly per maid. Okay, so for a cooking food 2000, for a jhadu pocha 2000 rupees, and for washing clothes 2000 rupees, and for a washing utensils, clean the utensils, for a 2000 rupees. 8000 rupees monthly you can give to other maids with happily, okay, and you are feeling so good, okay, and you will not tell to her something, okay, and you will feel ki yeah, she is doing work and it's their work, okay, only you will tell to them also sometime it's your work, so you have to do this. But imagine wife, sister, and your mother is also a girl. She has also emotions. She has some feelings. She has some understanding power. Okay, and she's also a another person, wife, friend, mother, daughter, and auntie, and big mother, and so any kind of relationship also involved in the any kind of girl, okay, it's for any kind of woman, okay. Today are the days of women. If woman is not in this world, so I think what is not possible without the girl, okay. So please guys, imagine your wife, your sister, your mother is doing work in the home, so you have to give respect to them. You have to improve their confidence also. You can say to them, no, you are doing work, it's a very hard work, and you are doing a very very difficult work in this world, okay, and if you are not doing the professional work but you are doing that work, it's a special for you, it's a special for us also, okay, and even you are not taking money also for us, okay, we are not giving to your salary for your work, but you can give to them their respect, their love, okay, and sometime everyone guys, you should go to outside with your mother, wife, your sister, and any kind of other girl, she is doing homework, so you should give the surprise also sometime. You should try to celebrate any kind of festival with them also, okay, and sometime you have to listen to their matter also. Sometime you have to time spend with them also, okay guys, and you have to, most important point is that you should try to understand to their emotions, feelings, their problems also, okay, and you should try to give your best in the home. You have to complete their facilities also. If you are seeing she hasn't any kind of instrument, any kind of accessories in the kitchen, in the home for their work, so you should try to available that kind of facilities to them also, okay. So now I want to tell to you guys, only please give respect to your mother, sister, wife, and any kind of other girls. If you are doing a professional work, so there also are many kind of girls, and you should try to give respect to them, and you should try to understand to their feelings and emotions also, and you should understand to similar the boys and girls. Don't do difference between the boys and girls. Okay, both are similar nowadays. Okay, so and if you are giving a salary to any kind of girls, so please give the salary both to similars. Okay, because girls are also doing a work and boys is also doing a work. So why it is a main difference point? Girls are doing so lots of their give their effort in the work. Even then you paid to only a less salary compared to the boys. It's not a correct. It's really not a correct. Okay, so please don't do the difference between the boys and girls, and always listen to their problems and try to solve them also. Okay, and always time give good suggestion to them also if you have any kind of good suggestion. Okay, and you should try to give your best in the home. Okay, and please guys, always time to listen to your heart. Always time you should try to understand any kind of problems. Okay, and you should try to face any kind of problems in your life very perfectly, and please keep positivity in your mind. Okay, and please try to live in the very cool and calm place. Okay, and always time do your work with very peacefully. Okay, so you can get success in your work also. Okay, every woman, I want to salute to you. You are really very special, and you are really so hardworking women. Okay, this video is for every housewife. Okay, housewife is a professional work like. Okay, so we hope guys you follow it, and you liked this video. If you liked, so please do comment, share, like, subscribe this channel, and we hope we will meet on the next video very soon. तब तक के लिए bye bye, take care, love you everyone. We hope we will meet on the next video with next good topic. Okay, stay home, stay safe.